Namaskar. Dear friends, we all are joined to celebrate the 75 years of Indian independence. This is the year that we are celebrating Congress Party contribution to the freedom struggle. We feel proud to do so. This is a party which gave all of us freedom, the gift of democracy. Be proud of the tricolor. It was the Congress leaders who gave their lives for the freedom movement. You all know that democracy is at stake, freedom is at stake, rights of all sections of the society are at stake. No one is worried about the economy of this country, but you youngsters, Indians, have to think over to save this nation. We all have only one solution. We all have to join together, we all have to come together to be a proud Indian, be a proud congressman. It is my appeal to all of you. Please come to serve our nation. Do your duty and be a part of the Congress proud history. Join in the Congress will save this nation. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Congress.